To utilize your IHG points effectively, consider the various options available. One way is to convert your points to airline miles through IHG's partner airlines. However, the conversion value may differ depending on the airline, and the process can be time-consuming. So it's essential to plan ahead and book your flight early. Another option is to donate your points to supported charities. But this is only applicable to charities that have a partnership with IHG. You can also redeem your points for gift cards from partner stores like Amazon and Starbucks, or use them to purchase products from IHG's shopping portal, which includes items such as electronics and fashion accessories. Additionally, your points can be used to pay for hotel stays, either entirely with points or as a combination of cash and points. Furthermore, IHG allows you to use your points to pay for events or experiences globally. By exploring these options, you can make the most of your IHG points and enjoy the benefits they offer.